You just became a single mom and you're wondering, wow, where do I stand legally? There are all kinds of questions about custody, parenting time, child support. And yes, you just went through 9 months of pregnancy and now you're looking forward to sleepless nights and raising a kid all by yourself. My hat's off to you. My wife and I had 4 kids together, but I know what she had to go through. Delivery, I've never done it. Can't. But it's tough. And then to go raise a kid, you've got all kinds of questions and worries and concerns, and we're here to give you some answers. I'm Jim Kraayeveld, family law attorney for 30 years here in Kent County, Michigan. And yes, we've got clients that come in and say, what should I do? Should I pursue child support? If you're on government assistance, typically the prosecutor's office will step in and file for you. But if you're not, and you're wondering, should I pursue child support? Do I have to give him custody? Do I have to give him parenting time? There's a trade-off that you need to consider. If you say, well, I'm going to go pursue child support because the gentleman earns plenty of money and should be supporting his child, great. But then you need to consider, is the effort or the cost of getting that child support going to be offset by a custody fight? And you probably know best. Yep, he was there during the pregnancy. He wanted to be there at the delivery. He's been hounding you ever since, saying, when do I get to see the baby? Well, he may be pursuing his joint legal custody rights. He may be pursuing parenting time. So you need to weigh that. Is it worth it to wake up that sleeping bear, if you will? There are some fathers that really don't care. They don't get involved and they drift off. But do you want to wake them up and pursue child support? But maybe you need the child support. And he has a duty to pay child support. It's a discussion you ought to have with an attorney. I understand it's a very difficult decision. Some clients say, well, the little bit that the gentleman would pay is going to be so little and it's not worth the risk. He's unemployed, can't hold down a job, he's self-employed, he hides his income, and it's going to cost a ton and it's just going to be a lot of aggravation and I don't need that in my life. Have that discussion with an attorney. If you got questions like this, subscribe, follow our channel. We try to come up with a little different subject every week and try to help folks out with answers to Michigan law, what the court system is going to look at, and what rights you have, and what it's going to cost you. And those are the factors that we want to help everybody that comes to us. Until next time.